Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a hair tutorial. As you guys can see by the title, I'm serving you all some ponytail looks here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this with my 4C short hair. So I'm not going to talk throughout the entire video. I'm just going to let the video play and hopefully you guys understand what I did. But I blow dried my hair just because my hair was wet, and also because I wanted to stretch it out a little bit more so I don't put a lot of gel.
K to the E to the K, nah, kekay.
See me see every time I want to do. Tell me in the time when you gotta go. She wants to wander. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wander. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. She wants to wander. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She had me heaven.
Yeah,
That's what me say.
She wants to wander, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself.
She wants to wander.
She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order.
She wants to wander.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She had me heaven. That's what me say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it on, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky. Panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself.
She wants to wander.
She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order.
She wants to wander.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She had me heaven. That's what me say.
She wants to wander.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself.
She wants to wander.
She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order.
She wants to wander.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She had me heaven. That's what me say. She wants to wonder. Bad man. Na.
Kekay.
Youngbodzy.
Buds, baby.
I see vkillz. Kill.
Cause I'm sleeping. Yes, about you. Cause I'm sleeping. Yes, about you. Cause my heart is sick. You're rising all under me. It's critical.
yeah, this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, make sure you leave it down in the comment section, as well as let me know your thoughts on this hair. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.